Formic helps you get started with automation quickly. No CapEx, no risk, no problems. One flat monthly fee, fully supported, and contracted performance delivered from day one. Here's how it works. We start by understanding your production line and specific product needs. Your Formic Solutions engineer will collect information on products per case, cases per minute, case weight, stack height, and more. Then we'll scope the ideal end-of-line automation system designed to be integrated seamlessly into your production line. Formic handles everything: the testing, the programming, the shipping, and the deployment of the system. Our experienced team will arrive at your facility and get you up and running fast, delivering real results. The Formic team of customer success managers and field service engineers are your support system to ensure ongoing operational performance from your automation systems. We constantly monitor your equipment and provide 24/7 tech support for your team in English and Spanish. Should anything happen, we can handle most issues digitally through our remote corrective service. We're here to keep your business running smoothly. Formic offers flexible contracts to help you get started with no long-term commitments. Start with a monthly agreement to immediately see automation's benefits on your line, or switch to annual contracts for greater savings. As your production evolves, your system can evolve with you, upgrading or swapping out equipment as needed. It's all a part of Formic's full-service automation. Automate now. Automate with Formic.